A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Adair and southeastern Cherokee counties. At 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 3 miles southwest of Cookson, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in or near the path include Cookson, Cherokee Landing State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 9 p.m.,